Dear learners, welcome to NCERT Audiobook for Easy Learning. Today, I want to speak directly to your heart. I know why you are here. You want to learn English. You want to speak confidently. You want to feel proud when you express your thoughts in front of others. Maybe you are a beginner. Maybe you are an intermediate learner. Maybe you have tried before and given up. But today, I'm here to remind you that you can do it. English is not just a language, it is a powerful tool. A tool that opens doors to knowledge, career and communication. With English, you can connect to people across the world. With English, you can read great books, listen to great leaders and share your story with confidence. But I also know sometimes it feels hard. You may worry about grammar, pronunciation, or fluency. You may feel shy when speaking. You may feel others are better than you. Let me tell you, every great speaker once felt the same. Today, I will tell you a story of a person who struggled with communication, yet became one of the greatest leaders. Along with this story, I will give you practical ways to practice English speaking, listening and reading. Together, we will learn how you can build fluency step by step. So, sit back, listen carefully and keep your heart open. This is not just a motivational talk. This is your reminder that learning English can change your life. Story of a great leader, Mahatma Gandhi. Let me take you back more than 100 years. India was under British rule, and there was a man who would later be called the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. But do you know something about him that most people don't talk about it? Gandhi, in his early years, was a shy and nervous boy. But he went to England to study law. He struggled badly with English. He could write, but he could not speak fluently. He was scared to stand and talk in class. When he came back to India as a young lawyer, something happened. He had to speak in court. And guess what? Gandhi was so nervous that he could not even finish his sentence. He sat down, embarrassed. People laughed at him. Imagine that. One of the greatest leaders of the world once failed to speak in front of just a few people. But did Gandhi give up? No. He decided to practice religiously. He started reading English books aloud. He listened carefully to how others spoke. He wrote his thoughts down in English. He practiced every single day. Slowly, his confidence grew. His words became powerful. His speeches became clear. And one day, his English communication became so strong that it inspired millions of people to fight for freedom. The lesson is clear. Fluency does not come overnight. It comes with practice, patience, and persistence. If Gandhi could transform himself from a nervous speaker to a world leader, why can't you? Why practice is more important than talent? Many people think some people are born with good English. I can't do it. That is not true. Nobody is born fluent in English. People become fluent because they practice. Think about Sachin Tendulkar in cricket or Virat Kohli today. Do you think they became great players in one day? No. They practiced every single day. They practiced when nobody was watching. They practiced when they were tired. They practiced when they failed. Learning English is exactly the same. Practice is your best friend. Reading, listening, speaking, and writing every single day is the only path to fluency. Practical ways to build English fluency. Now let us talk about how you can do this. I will give you clear steps whether you are a beginner or an intermediate learner. First, listening. Listening is the foundation of learning. Just like a child first listens to their mother's words before speaking, you must listen. Listen to English audiobooks. Yes, this is why we bring you NCERT audiobook for easy learning. Listen to stories, poems, and motivational talks. Do not worry if you do not understand every word. Keep listening daily. Slowly, your brain will catch the rhythm of the language. Second, reading. Reading makes your vocabulary strong. It helps you learn grammar naturally. Start with NCERT stories and poems. Read them aloud. Choose simple English books for beginners. If you are intermediate, pick newspapers or biographies of great leaders. Remember, when you read aloud, you practice pronunciation too. Third, speaking. Speaking is most important, but this is where learners feel shy. Start by speaking to yourself in English. Stand in front of a mirror and talk. Describe your day in English. For example, today I woke up early, I ate breakfast, I am learning English now. Practice with a friend or a family member. Do not worry about mistakes. Remember Gandhi, he made mistakes too, but he kept going. Fourth, writing. Writing makes your thoughts clear. Keep a small diary, write 5 sentences daily. Write about your feelings, your goals, your learning journey. Even 1 page a day will improve your grammar and confidence. Beginners versus intermediate learners. If you are a beginner, start small. Learn 5 new words every day. Listen to short English stories. Speak simple sentences. If you are an intermediate learner, challenge yourself. Read longer texts. Write short essays. Join group discussions. Remember, beginners plant the seed and intermediates grow the tree. Both stages are important. The role of audiobooks and NCERT learning. Now you may ask, how can I use NCERT audiobook for easy learning to practice? The answer is simple. Every time you listen to an audiobook here, you are training your ears. Every time you repeat after the voice, you are training your tongue. Every time you read along with the text, you are training your mind. Audiobooks are powerful because they combine listening, reading, and speaking practice. They improve your fluency without making you feel bored. That is why great leaders too were readers and listeners of books. They filled their minds with knowledge and wisdom, and then used their words to inspire the world. Story of Abraham Lincoln. Let me share one more story, this time from America. Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States, is remembered as one of the greatest leaders in history. But did you know Lincoln was born in a poor family? He had no access to schools. He could not even buy proper books. But Lincoln had one dream. He wanted to learn. So he borrowed books from neighbors. He read them by the firelight at night. He practiced writing on wooden boards with chalk. He listened carefully to every good speaker he met. And slowly Lincoln built his knowledge and communication skills. One day, this poor boy with no formal education became a lawyer, a speaker, and then the president who freed millions of people from slavery. Lincoln's story proves that reading and practice can transform your life. He did not let poverty stop him. He did not let weakness stop him. And you must not let hesitation stop you. Overcoming fear of mistakes. One of the biggest enemies of English learners is fear of mistakes. You may feel, what if I say something wrong? What if people laugh at me? But let me tell you, mistakes are proof that you are learning. Think of a baby learning to walk. The baby falls again and again. But do we laugh at the baby? No. We encourage the baby to try again. This is how the baby finally learns to walk. Similarly, when you make mistakes in English, smile and keep going. Every mistake is a step towards fluency. Daily routine for English speaking practice. Here is a simple daily plan you can follow. Morning, 10 minutes, listen to an audiobook or English podcast. Afternoon, 10 minutes, read aloud from NCERT or a storybook. Evening, 10 minutes, write 5 sentences in your diary. Night, 10 minutes, speak to yourself or a friend about your day. Just 40 minutes a day can change your life in 6 months. Power of consistency. Remember, learning English is not about one big effort. It is about small daily steps, like drops of water filling a pot. Your daily practice will fill your mind with fluency. Great leaders like Gandhi and Lincoln were consistent. They practiced daily, even when they were busy. This is why their words changed the world. Conclusion. Your journey to greatness. Dear learners, today you have listened to stories of great leaders. You have learned how Gandhi and Lincoln went from nervous poor speakers to world leaders. You have seen the power of listening, reading, speaking and writing practice. Now the question is, what will you do? Will you give up because it feels hard, or will you rise and practice daily? Remember this, English is not just a language, it is your bridge to knowledge, career and confidence. Do not let fear stop you. Do not wait for tomorrow. Start today, start now. Keep listening to NCERT audiobook for easy learning. Keep practicing English speaking. Keep reading, writing and communicating. One day you will look back and smile. You will say, yes, I did it. I am fluent. I am confident. I am ready to inspire others. So take a deep breath. Believe in yourself and begin your journey to English fluency today. Because your voice matters, your story matters, and the world is waiting to hear you.